Hey friends, if you're thinking about making polymer clay earrings, or maybe you've tried and you're wondering why things aren't turning out the way you hoped, I'm sharing the 10 things I really wish I knew when I first started. These would have saved me hours and a lot of clay. Let's jump right in. Hey there, my name is Wendy Varner of Wendy Varner Designs. I'm a small batch polymer clay earring artist. I've had an online earring business for quite a few years now. I made the earrings I have on and sell these in my online store at wendyvarnerdesigns.com, or you can just click the link in my bio. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1, conditioning the clay. I thought clay was ready right out of the package. And I felt like if it was a little squishy, you didn't have to condition it long. But if you don't condition long enough, clay becomes brittle later. So warm it up, fold it, roll it, and repeat it until it's smooth and flexible. And if needed, add a little bit of clay softener to it. This is Sculpey clay softener. But be careful, a little goes a long way, and you don't want to use too much. Tip number 2, temperature versus time. I baked too hot trying to speed up the process. Polymer clay needs the correct temperature, not a higher temperature. So get an oven thermometer. It changes everything. I've had this one forever, and as you can see, it's gone through a lot, but I would not trade this for anything. Pay close attention to the directions on the outside of the package. Every brand is different. I have found that it's better to bake longer than not enough. If your clay breaks, you didn't bake long enough. I test my pieces after they cool because I don't want to do anything with them if they're going to break. Tip number 3, brand differences. Not all clay acts the same. Some brands are softer, some are stronger. Try a test bake before committing to a big batch. I personally like Sculpey Primo and Soufflé. They're my favorites. Tip number 4, thickness. Too thin equals breaks. Too thick equals heavy. Aim for around 2.5 to 3 millimeter. Thickness guides help so much. I use the guide on my pasta machine. I use an Atlas 150 and I love it. I have my favorite pasta machine linked in my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description below. Tip number 5, dust and lint shows up everywhere, more than you expect. Clean surface, have a lint roller ready. It makes a really big difference. I'm constantly wiping down my surface with alcohol, and I use tweezers if I need to pick up tiny pieces of lint. Tip number 6, fingerprints. Clay records every single touch. Try plastic wrap over clay while cutting and sand after baking if needed. Acetone does wonders to get rid of imperfections. I highly recommend using it on baked clay. Tip number 7, jump ring hole placement. I eyeballed it. I'm better now, but I did pay the price. Mark first, drill second, and always use the same size bit. Tip number 8, sanding and buffing. Even pieces that look smooth can look dull after you bake them. A quick sand and a buff makes them look professional. I prefer to use a Dremel to sand my pieces. Tip number 9, over color mixing. Don't mix too many colors together. You can come up with very bland mixes that don't look good. Tip number 10, expecting perfection fast. Everyone starts somewhere. Your first earrings won't look like your 50th pair. Let me show you. Y'all, this is the first pair of earrings I ever made. They're a mess. But now I'm making earrings that look like this. And earrings that look like this. Okay? Alright, so those are the 10 things I wish someone told me before I ever touched polymer clay. If you want these written out step by step with beginner fixes and printable checklists, I created a printable guide called 10 Things I Wish I Knew Before Making Polymer Clay Earrings. It's perfect if you want fewer mistakes, faster progress, a clear roadmap while you're learning. You can download it instantly. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. If you found this helpful, like this video and hit subscribe so more new makers can find me. And let me know in the comments, what's the #1 thing you struggled with when you first started? All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.